Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use NFC on your iPhone in 2026. So NFC allows your iPhone to communicate with compatible tags and devices when they're very close together. One of the most common uses is Apple Pay. You can also use NFC tags for certain shortcuts and automation tasks. So to try out an NFC tags, open Shortcuts app and create a personal automation. Choose NFC as the trigger, then scan the compatible NFC tag. You can then assign an action to that tag, such as starting an automation or opening an app. Some apps can also use NFC for specific features such as reading compatible tags or cards. And you should also keep in mind that never scan an unknown NFC tag if you don't know where it came from. So NFC can be useful for payment, tags, automation, and other supported features right from your iPhone. That was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want help with the tutorial. Thank you for watching.